Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best cordless trimmer lawn is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine yard without the hassle of cords, offering unparalleled freedom and efficiency in tackling overgrown grass and weeds, making lawn care a breeze rather than a chore, and ensuring your outdoor space always looks its absolute best with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Effortlessly switch between trimming your lawn and edging your walkways. This versatile tool transforms in seconds to meet all your yard care needs. Never get caught with a broken line again. Our innovative command feed system provides instant line feeding with just the push of a button, and we offer free spools for life. Reach those difficult areas with ease. The head tilts 90 degrees, allowing you to tackle slope terrain and get into tight spots for a perfectly manicured yard. Achieve professional-looking results. The rubberized wheels provide support and guidance, ensuring straighter lines and cleaner cuts along your landscape. Trim with confidence around delicate areas. The adjustable spacer guard prevents accidental damage to plants, ornaments, and other landscape features. Get the job done with included power. 2 lightweight 20V power Shear batteries are included, and they're compatible with all other WORX power Shear tools. What we like. This trimmer offers incredible versatility with its easy conversion between trimming and edging. The innovative command feed system ensures you always have line ready, eliminating frustrating bumps. If you have a yard with varied terrain or hard-to-reach spots, the tilting head makes it a breeze to tackle those areas. You should choose this if you need a tool that adapts to your lawn's unique challenges. What people say. The trimmer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. Its powerful motor cuts through thick grass and weeds with ease, providing a clean finish. The adjustable handle and telescoping shaft allow for a comfortable trimming experience, even in hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless String Trimmer and Edger, LSTE 525. Tired of bumping to advance your trimmer line? With this tool, you can easily feed the line with just the push of a button, making your yard work simpler. Keep going longer with the included 2 batteries. This means you get double the runtime, so you can finish your yard tasks without interruption. Take control of your trimming with 2 speed settings. You can choose to boost the power for tougher jobs or extend the runtime for lighter tasks. This tool isn't just for trimming, it easily converts into a wheeled edger. Achieve clean, precise edges along your walkways and garden beds with ease. Experience increased torque for more cutting power thanks to the power drive transmission. It ensures efficient cutting through weeds and grass, making your job easier. Work comfortably for longer periods with the premium microtexture grip. It's designed for maximum user comfort, reducing fatigue during use. What we like. Experience enhanced cutting power and extended runtime with this option. The 2-speed control allows you to tailor performance to the task at hand, from delicate edging to tackling thicker weeds. If you're looking for a tool that offers both power and endurance for larger yards, the dual batteries and power drive transmission make it a strong contender. Choose this for a more customizable and robust trimming experience. What people say. It has 2 speeds, one normal and one more powerful. I trimmed grass along my fence mostly, so it cut that with ease. It also cut through thicker weeds well too. The length is very easily adjustable for use and storage. It also edges pretty well. It uses the same string cartridge and the last BND was very reliable, so I stayed with the same brand. This one is lighter and the string feeder, both automatic and push button when needed, are working great. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Combo Kit. Effortlessly maintain your yard with this lightweight and quiet combo kit. It includes a string trimmer and an extra battery, perfect for tackling larger areas. Our AFS system ensures a continuous supply of trimmer line. This means your tool operates smoothly and without interruption, so you can keep working. Switching from trimming to edging is a breeze. Use the included battery to create precise borders with the wheeled edger attachment. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, the trimmer is incredibly easy to maneuver. Enjoy comfortable and extended use without fatigue. Customize your experience with adjustable height and handle options. Achieve personalized comfort and control for any user. The cordless blower unit weighs just 3.7 pounds. It provides easy handling while you clear away debris from your yard. Enjoy peaceful yard maintenance with its low-noise design. This kit allows for quiet operation, making it neighbor-friendly. What we like. This combo kit is your all-in-one solution for a tidy yard, combining trimming, edging, and sweeping capabilities. Its exceptionally lightweight design ensures comfortable use, even during extended yard work. If you value a peaceful yard maintenance routine and need a tool that handles multiple tasks without being cumbersome, this is the perfect choice. Opt for this if you want efficiency and quiet operation. What people say. The trimmer has a powerful motor that cuts through thick grass with ease. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making trimming around obstacles a breeze. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Weed Eater, LST522. Tired of stopping to advance trimmer line? Our automatic line advancement system dispenses line as you work, ensuring you can keep going without interruption. Don't let a short battery life cut your yard work short. This model offers 66% more runtime than standard batteries, so you can tackle larger projects with ease. Easily switch between high power for tough weeds and extended runtime for everyday trimming. Get the best of both worlds for your lawn care needs. Tackle even the toughest weeds with enhanced cutting power. Our power drive transmission boosts torque, giving it the strength to cut through dense growth effortlessly. Effortlessly convert from trimming to wheeled edging. Achieve clean, precise lines along sidewalks and driveways with this versatile tool. Enjoy a comfortable experience with customizable height and handle settings. The premium soft grip ensures improved control and a secure hold during use. What we like. Tackle larger projects with confidence thanks to the extended battery capacity and enhanced cutting power. The dual speed control provides flexibility, allowing you to optimize for either power or runtime. If you have a substantial yard or encounter dense growth regularly, the combination of power drive transmission and a long-lasting battery makes this an excellent choice. Consider this if you need a dependable tool for demanding lawn care tasks. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 45 minutes on a single charge, which is more than enough for my entire lawn. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver around obstacles, making trimming a breeze. The adjustable cutting head allows for precise trimming in hard-to-reach areas, like under bushes and along fences. Number 1. SnapFresh Cordless Grass Shear Bush Trimmer. Effortlessly switch between trimming grass and shaping bushes with this versatile handheld tool. It comes with interchangeable blades for all your yard care needs, easily cutting branches up to 0.31 inches thick. Experience consistent cutting performance thanks to its upgraded motor and sharp steel blades. It delivers precise trimming for lawns, hedges, and various garden plants, ensuring a clean finish every time. Weighing just over a pound, this tool is designed for easy one-handed operation and superior control. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during longer trimming sessions. Trim with confidence thanks to the dual safety lock system that prevents accidental activation. This reliable cordless design offers peace of mind for all users, from beginners to seasoned gardeners. Enjoy the freedom of cordless trimming without the hassle of tangled cords or noisy equipment. Its rechargeable battery provides ample power for your front and backyards, and it operates with a low noise profile. Ideal for any DIY yard care enthusiast, this makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's perfect for detailed trimming, maintaining hedges, edging grass, and general garden grooming. What we like. This compact tool is perfect for detailed yard work and offers a unique 2-in-1 functionality for both grass shearing and bush trimming. Its incredibly lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to handle for precise maneuvers. If you're looking for a tool that's simple to use, comfortable for one-handed operation, and offers enhanced safety features for delicate tasks, this is an ideal pick. Choose this for intricate garden grooming and effortless control. What people say. The trimmer is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It cuts through thick grass and weeds with ease, leaving a clean finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.